S'occuper du...
Hello, welcome again. It's Big Japa here. Today I'm in Canary Wharf, London's financial district. Amazing place. This is referred to many as the mini Manhattan of New York. So this is like a mini version of it. The reason being of these tall rise buildings and yeah, what it looks like, you know, basically it's got plenty of tall rise building, and it's said to have out of 10 tallest buildings in the UK, 5 of them is here in Canary Wharf. So I'm just gonna go around and do a walk, and we get a perfect view of this place. I'll try my best to get as much as possible of it and show you all. Alright, let's go and do this. So there's that bridge behind me there that I just walked on to cross over to this side. It's I think, yeah, lime in color. The bridge is bouncing, you know. I was trying to walk around and film, but my hands was like bouncing up and down. I don't know what the name of the bridge is, but I think I'll give it a new name the bouncing bridge. Anyway, guys, jokes aside, here we are at Canary Wharf. Magnificent, beautiful day in London. It's very, very sunny, but I always get my jacket on in case you never know. You just never know with London, yeah, and England. The weather can change in a flash. So I learned my lesson some time back, and I'll never forget that experience. So I always try and have some form of at least a hooded, clothing, just in case. But anyway, yeah, it's about 5 p.m. right now, and it's really lovely. A lot of people in t-shirts and enjoying themselves. So yeah, this is Canary Wharf. I can't actually film like this because the sun is in my eyes if I turn the camera, unless I walk backwards, which I don't want to do really. So I'm gonna have to end here for a bit and cross to the other side, because it's 5 p.m. now and the sun is going down, so I can only film nicely from this direction. Yeah, so I need to cross over to, yeah, I just came from that direction over there and crossed the canal, so I'm just gonna carry on walking. It's really a beautiful day to come out here. It's marvelous. Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, it's the bridge, the bouncing bridge. The bouncing Canary Wharf bridge. Yeah, plenty of restaurants around here by the canal side, on this side of it. Yeah.
Good evening.
Good evening.
You like it?
Marvelous.
Oh, thank you.
Good.
Free hands on me.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, man. Bless, man.
Nice.
Bless, man. All my artwork.
Nice, nice.
God bless, man.
Good job, good job.
Thank you.
All right.
You got my artwork, yeah? All free hands on me.
Yeah, as you can see, I can't film that direction at the moment, so all I can do is this direction, because the sun is right at that angle there, so I can only go this side. But it's not that bad. Look at that, it's marvelous. Big easy there. Bar, barbecue, cocktails, lobster, beautiful stuff. Yeah, look at that. Now you probably understand why they call it the mini Manhattan. There's canals everywhere, and then tall rise buildings. Yeah, how are you? Yeah, just walking around the shops right now here, and it's 5 p.m. Like I said, a lot of people at this moment because they just finished work going home, so it's kind of busy. But normally this place is very quiet and peaceful all the time. But right now it's what you'd say a rush hour, and people are going home. So it's busy at the moment. It really quiets down, you know, in the evenings and during day, because there aren't so many roads around here and other things. Just here, this business center. I'm not really sure where I'm going right now. I'm just walking around. And yeah. We'll see where I end up. Hopefully not lost in Canary Wharf. Yeah, that would be interesting. Yo. You know what? Okay, there's toilets here.
Greg's, there's a Greg's just over there.
Yeah, it's an incredibly busy time right now. Look at that restaurant, it's totally full. As you can see by the people around here, it's mostly, you know, people all dressed up coming from the offices. And like I mentioned, this is a business area, financial district of London. That's why you notice most of the people are dressed up in suits and dressed smart for work. So yeah guys, this is Canary Wharf. Look at that. So that rail bridge right there. See if I can get a better shot of it from this side. Yeah, while I'm here, I suppose it's the right time to say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. It's really helpful for me. Help my channel to grow so I can bring you more of these videos. It does really mean a lot to me. And if you like Canary Wharf right now, please do hit the like button. And yeah, that would be so much appreciated. So I'm gonna go over across to the other side and see what we see the other side. Yeah, this is so huge. Canary Wharf business district. There's no end to it really. It's a very, very big walk, but I'm gonna try and do as much as possible and yeah, see how much we can fit in this video. By the way, that's the Canary Wharf station there. That's probably why there's a lot of people around this particular place, because it's time to go home. They need to get to the trains, to the tube station and go home. Yeah. Place here. See how calm the area is. It's just unbelievable. The quietness, niceness. Try and get a shot of this. riverside the other way, but I'm not quite ready to go to the riverside yet. Just I want to go around this area first. Thing about London is if you spend a lot of time without going to a particular area, when you go, there's always changes. You know, London is always changing. Always buildings going on, new developments everywhere. So yeah, it's a beautiful look. Look how clean it is. Oh, what's in there? Oh, look at that yacht over there, man. Wow. Yeah, man, this is awesome. Just the calmness of the area, the peace. It's magical. Just look at it, you know, people just relaxing, sitting down. I wonder why I don't come here often. Oh look, you know, just what I said, you know, there's continuous developments, you know, there's a new building coming up there. Yeah, it's like spend some time without coming to a particular area. It's always changing, you know. Look at that, it's new. They say stylish loft apartments available. Oh well. Yeah, the sun is just still up there, and that's the reason I'm just walking in one direction, because he won't have a very nice view filming facing the sun. But yeah, so I'll try and just walk in one direction, and then probably later, hopefully, walk in a different direction, facing where the sun is right now. Here we are, Canary Wharf still. Beautiful, beautiful Canary Wharf. Just look at it. I wish there was sort of like a guide to walking around Canary Wharf, because right now I don't really know like where I need to walk to like, I'm sure I'm missing out lots and lots of you know, shots that I should be having in the video, but yeah, I think it would be nice to have like a guide to Canary Wharf walk, like a walking, well, I'm doing a walking tour, but like, you know, official, I'm just showing. Yeah, you know what I mean. I wonder how much properties, flats cost in Canary Wharf. You know, must be really expensive to own a flat in this area of the city. This I said, a lot of celebrities and big names, even American actors. I think Robert De Niro, somebody. When it comes to London, he stays in Canary Wharf. You know, so that gives you an idea of what this place is about, what it's like. Well, you know, very expensive, and obviously very rich. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna walk down this road and see if I can get to the other side of that other canal, because there's a lot of different, you know, sort of canals around. I think over there, that's Blackwall. Yeah, those are buildings over there. Wow. HSBC Bank there, and State Street. I'd say there's JP Morgan around here, big financial guru. JP Morgan, banking, and you know, doing things related to money. Yeah, so this is a money district. Oh, here we are. This is what I was looking for, and I said I am right here. Canary Wharf. So you can walk around the Canary Wharf area for 15 minutes. You know, just walk around the Thames River, and yeah, and then yeah, Blackwall. That's the one I was showing over there. That's that. And then Hood Wharf. Right. Yeah. Gonna try and get to the other side. As you can see, it's pretty much quiet and peaceful, really. The only very busy area is at the station there because people are going home. But yeah, this area is so peaceful and so quiet. You know, it's just got like its own distinction. It's totally different from other areas of London. You know, so nice, so pretty, so quiet, and obviously so rich. Yeah, so I'm just gonna try and continue the walk to the other side. That view right there. It's Billingsgate Market over there. Yeah, it's really beautiful view from here with the sun on the buildings on the road there. It's looking magnificent. Yeah. I want to go and walk down there, so I'm just gonna go down this bridge right here and walk by the river, by the canal. Yeah, that would be nice. Yeah, just gonna go down here. Look at that, quite a sight, eh? It's almost snowboarding here. See? It's super quiet. Boats. Around here, not very clean water. So walk. So yeah, just gonna go around the canal and hopefully make a U-turn when I get to the very end of it, if that's possible. Not sure it is, because unless there's a bridge crossing to the other side. And I think it was blocked, that area of it, the other side coming this way. But we'll see when I get there. That boat, the white stuff, reminds me of Ian Wright, the Arsenal legend. Yeah, Arsenal. What a season they've had. Disappointing, really, but well, to them it is disappointing. But yeah, they've done very well considering they've not been in this position. They've not achieved this position for so many years. Well, I shouldn't be talking about Arsenal right now anyway. But yeah, that boat just reminded me of Arsenal. I'm Ian Wright, Arsenal legend. So yeah, I'm thinking to go over that bridge right there. But I might have to walk a long way to get there. Because yeah, that should be that bridge over there should be able to get me across to the other side of the river. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem I can do it from here, so I might have to walk all the way down there to be able to cross. Not really sure I want to do that, so I might have to walk back. But it would be really nice to walk the other side and get to the other side. Anyway, let me give it a go. If there isn't a bridge nearby here, I'll just make my way back. Yeah. This is just so quiet right here, look at it, almost nobody. You're like one or two people walking around, and then nobody, and then another one or two people walking around, and then nobody. So yeah, nice and quiet.